I want to start this episode by saying that sometimes I just hate mornings, yeah? Not because I'm not used to wake up early in the morning, but because yesterday I was so freaking dumb and I've locked myself outside, yeah? I've come into the garage and I forgot my keys I forgot the keys in house and I locked the door. Yeah, I don't do this at all, yeah? I don't lock the door. And yesterday I've done that, and you know what? I was in a t-shirt and flip-flops because I was coming from house. I just wanted to take something from here, and after that I realized that I've locked myself outside. Yeah, and it's freaking cold outside, yeah? And see that I wore a jacket, it's really cold. And yesterday, like I said, I locked myself into the garage for 4 freaking hours, yeah? 4 hours. I didn't knew where to call or who to call, so I had to make a plan. Anyway, it's done. I sold the Peugeot yesterday night. We've sold the Peugeot because there wasn't a good car for me. It wasn't a good deal, but I just wanted to be gone, and it's gone now. This is it, boys. The Peugeot is gone, yeah? In about 10-15 minutes, I'm not sure, somebody will come and pick the car up. We just have to move the F32, yeah? And oh, I think I have the keys with me. Just a second. Yep. Now we just have to check a little bit in the car if I took everything that is mine out, yeah, tools and stuff like that, because other than that I don't have anything, I think. In the trunk, how the heck you open? Oh, this one is with a key. I've completely forgot. Yep. Oh, I have some gloves in here, but other than that everything is empty. Okay, so let's move the other car. What the heck? Yeah, now let's start this one, and we can leave it a little bit to run because I don't want the battery to be empty. Okay, starts right up. Yeah, now let's move the BMW. Oops, let's put down a window because I don't want to have any kind of surprises now. Okay. I've just put the Peugeot in front of the BMW, yeah, and now it's ready to be sold. The doors are open. The new owner comes with I'm not sure, a trailer, I think, because the car is unregistered. And yeah, this is the last time when we see the Peugeot. Now that the Peugeot is gone, yeah, we have a lot of room in here, but we are not going to buy for now another flip car because I have the inspection pit with the E39, yeah, and I cannot work, and I don't want to park cars in here anymore. So anyway, we are going to drive to eat something now, and after that we are going to fix the error for this car. Yeah, I have an error for the low battery on the key fob, and I've already received the battery, yeah. And because we don't have any kind of parts for the E39, I didn't receive any of the parts that I need in order to continue working on the E39. We cannot work on that car. So for now, let's drive and eat something, and we'll see after that. Let's go and buy something to eat. Oh yeah, I still have to replace the battery from the key, but we have a new battery. I received that. We are going to replace that today. cold start. Whoa, that was cold. It's cold, 2.5 degrees outside. Whoa, apparently I have to replace the wipers as well. Oh my god. We are going to do a short pit stop at the PO box, yeah, because I have to take some packages, and after that we are going to eat. Let's park in here. Let's eat now. Right in front of us, BMW M2. Nice. Let's eat now. Oh, we can see the last order. Ein Royal TS im Menü bitte mit Pommes und Vanillashake.
Noch ein Wort?
Nee, das war's.
Dann kommen wir wieder.
Yep. I have my vanilla shake, my burger in here, my chips. Now let's drive home and yeah, let's start with replacing the battery for this car, because it's annoying to have that error in there. See that triangle? We have to fix that. Oh, tunnel, almost a tunnel, but we have too much cars. That was fun. Let's replace now the battery on the key fob, because it's kind of annoying, yeah, to have that on the dash. So in order to replace the battery is quite simple. You can use the key, yeah, and you have to put the key in here. It's going to fit perfectly. We have to pry the cover out, yeah. I'm not going to be able to do this with one hand, but I'm gonna show you for sure. So just like this, you put the metal key into that hole, yeah, and press it. Maybe you have to pry a little bit, but just a little bit. Normally you just have to press it and the cover pops off, and we can find this huge battery, yeah. Oh my god, this is a huge battery, CR2450, yeah. And we have the new one in here. Just a second, CR2450. Let's replace this and check if we still have that light. Let's see now. Yeah, keyless works. Oh, no error message. Okay, we still have that. Oh, after the start, the error disappeared. Yeah, and that is for the door, I hope. Nice. Yeah, so the battery is fixed. Now that's done, we don't have any kind of error on this car, and this should be like this, yeah. Yeah, check this out, what I've noticed. See this scratch? I'm not sure if I done that, if was in here from new, because I don't recall to have that. It's not bad, of course, maybe I can buff that, but I noticed after I washed the car. And we are now at the end of the video. Sadly, I didn't receive any parts for this car in order to keep working, but I hope tomorrow I will receive the parts that I need, and we can continue working on the E39. So yeah, join me on the next episode to see more progress on this car, or maybe on the other car. And if you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.